Welcome back to S-Mobile. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting budget smartphones in the market, the REALME NARZO 60X. Packed with impressive features at an affordable price, this device has a lot to offer. Let's explore what makes it stand out. Design and display. The REALME NARZO 60X sports a sleek and modern design with a premium feel. It features a 6.72-inch IPS LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling and an immersive viewing experience. The punch-hole front camera adds to the overall aesthetic, giving it a contemporary look. Performance and software. Under the hood, the NARZO 60X is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus processor, delivering reliable performance for everyday tasks and gaming. Paired with up to 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, the device handles multitasking efficiently. Running on REALME UI based on Android, it offers a clean and user-friendly experience. Camera capabilities. The smartphone boasts a 64-megapixels AI primary camera, capturing detailed and vibrant shots in various lighting conditions. The secondary depth sensor enhances portrait shots, ensuring a natural bokeh effect. On the front, the 8-megapixel selfie camera does a decent job for video calls and selfies. Battery and charging. With a massive 5000 mAh battery, the REALME NARZO 60X easily lasts a full day on a single charge. It supports 33W fast charging, meaning you can quickly top up your battery and stay connected without long waits. Connectivity and additional features. The device supports 5G connectivity, ensuring faster data speeds and a future-ready experience. It also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for quick and secure unlocking. Additionally, the inclusion of stereo speakers enhances the multimedia experience. Final thoughts. The REALME NARZO 60X is a solid choice for budget-conscious buyers looking for a smartphone with smooth performance, a high refresh rate display, and good battery life. If you're in the market for an affordable 5G device, this could be a great option. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest smartphones. See you in the next video.